Hello students, today we will study about plastic under chapter number 3rd, synthetic fibers and plastics. Today our topic plastic. Dear student, you must be familiar with many plastic articles used every day. Plastic is also a polymer like synthetic fibers. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes. It can be given any shape and it can be recycled and reused. There are two types of plastics. One of thermoplastic, second thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic, such plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily, are known thermoplastic. For example, polythene and PVC. Polythene used for making commonly used polythene bags, and PVC also thermoplastics. They are used for manufacturing combs, chairs, tables, water pipes and various types of containers. And secondly, thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastic do not soften on heating and cannot be reshaped. They are often very tough material with high melting points. For example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electric switch handles of various utensils, and melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can together heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenwares and fabrics which resist fire. Now let us discuss the characteristics properties of plastics. First of, plastic is non-reactive. Plastic is non-reactive. Plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded easily. They are used to store various kind of material including many chemicals. And second, plastic is strong, light and durable. Dear student, plastic is very strong, light, durable and can be molded in different shape and size. It is used for various purpose, and plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Third, plastics are poor conductor. Plastics are poor conductor. Plastic are poor conductor for heat and electricity. That is why electrical wire have plastic covering. The handles of the frying pans are also made of plastics. And fourth, fireproof plastics. Fireproof plastics. Although synthetic fiber catches fire easily, it is interesting to know that the uniform of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Now on discuss on plastic and environment. Plastic takes several years to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environment pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burned easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. How can this problem be solved? The biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes should be collected separately and disposed of separately. What is biodegradable? Biodegradable. A material which gets decomposed through natural process, such as action by bacteria, is called biodegradable. And non-biodegradable A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable. How can we save environment pollution from plastic? First of all, avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Second, make use of bags made of cotton and jute when you go for shopping. And do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies and on the road. As a responsible citizen, remember 4R principle. 4R principle. First of, reduce. Second, reuse. Third, recycle. And fourth, recover. As a responsible citizen, 4R principle always remember. Thus, by adopting these 4 principles, we can keep the environment clean from plastic. Dear student, I hope you understand this topic very well. Thank you for watching for this video.